Alright, so today we're going to look at some effects and some other styles you can do in your videos. So click on one of them, click edit that you've been working on. So you can see we've already got some audio, video, some text from the previous clips and tutorials. Now we're going to play around a little with these clips. So let's select one of them. We'll click on the first one. Let's see what some options are. In this last tab, we've got backgrounds we can add, which is not green screen, so it's mostly going to apply for text. So backgrounds, for instance, you can drag it and bring it down. You can see we've got, ooh, so pretty. So as you're putting words here at the beginning of the file, you don't have other footage, you can put it in the background of your titles and text. So I'm going to delete that, try another one. Just drag and drop it in like you would your other footage in the video one line. And there it is. If I were to put in video 2, notice that you look from the top down, so it covers the other one now. See, watch. See, it covered the video. The audio stayed, but the footage got covered up. So wherever you put it, you view from top to bottom is what you see. Let's delete that one. Let's see what else we've got. Some solid colors. Maybe just want a solid black. Just a solid black. Or solid red maybe. Again, for this you might copy paste or put some text over it and see what it looks like. See how that works. So we'll get rid of those because we're just sampling. Let's look at overlays. So overlays are effects you can do over the top. So here's a bang one. You want to do what it says and you lay it over something. So like over the top of this clip. I'm going to extend it out a little so we can see it. And here's this bang one. There it is. Bang. You can play with that. You can change the pencil button to edit it or double click it to edit it. Maybe it's too big, you make it smaller like that. See the frame right here? You can't see it right now, but it's within this frame. So if I shrink it, it's a lot smaller and I can move it over like in front of Coulson's face, hit done editing, and now see what it does. Ah, there it is in front of Coulson. Overlay. There's a bunch of different ones, a tree, mouth, heart. You can play around and check them out. Frames. So similar. Grab a frame, drop it on top. And I only have 2 video lines here, so I need to add a 3rd video line or move it over. There we go. Or add with the add button there. So video line 3 if I felt like it. So here's what we had. I tried to put a frame on it, it didn't work. See that red around it? So maybe we need another file. So we hit the plus and edit video, audio or video. We're going to do video, hit OK. And that gives us another layer so we can drag this purple blob onto video 3 layer. And now we have a frame. We're going to drag it a little longer to cover the whole clip. And you can see now we've got this blob. Nice. So there's a bunch of frames you can use. Try out. Overlays, frames, solids, backgrounds. Let's look at a couple other options you can do. So I just double clicked on one of the clips and you can rotate them. Spin it around, flip them around, sideways. Maybe you want them on their heads. Great, there they are. Or you can shrink them. Or maybe you want to do a couple clips, so you could put one on one there. Nice thing about shrinking is you can have 4 clips and you can stack them and you have 4 different corners and all 4 would be happening at the same time or more than that or less than that. Just 4 as an example. So I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. I'm going to hit copy, control C, and then paste. See if it'll let me do it. Yep, there we go. So we're going to grab that, move it onto one of the upper layers. You can see right now it's just overlapped. You can't really tell there's something different. But if I double click on it and shrink it, and then maybe flip it around, and then move it over, and then done editing, you can see what I'm talking about, how you can have multiple clips in the same shot. They're all over the place. Or double click on it, go, let's change some other things like animation, brightness. I can change the brightness, see it's all dark there, or super bright. See that clip on the right? Some things are fine-tuned, like changes the temperature. Some things cost money, so you're not able to do those. It's a different piece to edit with. Done editing. Another great thing we can do, let's go back to Jax. Sometimes you want to do just some simple effects. So you can select the clip, select the FX, and then sharpen it, or sepia. You can see that old-fashioned look to it, or black and white, blur. So this shows you what it does to it. So if I click blur and hit apply, then that clip becomes a blurred clip. I don't want it blurred, so I'm going to click FX and unclick it, but I do want it black and white, so I'll click black and white and hit apply, and now it's black and white. Scroll back, hit play, see what it looks like. Alright, quick review. Up here, background, solids, overlays, frames, or click on the clip and effects, and you can do them more one, black and white and blur. There you go, you got black and white and blurred. Alright, try it out, play it around, add some of each. Have fun, good luck.